Really, ever since I got involved with CIRI back in the mid-'80s, there's always been this problem of issuers not really knowing who really owns their stock for a whole host of reasons, but they've had a tremendous difficulty. Now you layer on that some of the changes that we're seeing in the marketplace, where all of a sudden board shareholder engagement is something that's new. It's a trend that's developed out of the US, it's come into Canada full force, and yet the issuers still don't know who owns them. And what we found in our advocacy research is that Canada has an early warning reporting system that has a threshold of 10%. So once a company owns 10% of the stock, they have to publicly disclose it. Now that puts us in the company of Latvia, Pakistan, and Chile, if you look at the global stand. The good news is it's better than Russia, which is at 25%. The bad news is virtually the rest of the world has a 5% or lower threshold for public disclosure of ownership information. So we feel that Canada is significantly out of step, and if you really want to have a truly transparent market, you have to have all of the segments of the market being appropriately transparent, and we think in this area Canada has fallen way behind the rest of the world and quite frankly needs to catch up and catch up quickly. The big news for us, in addition to our advocacy efforts, is that come September 2011, we launched the very first class for professional designation in investor relations in Canada. So a certification program for investor relations. It'll run over a 10-month period, and we're doing it in conjunction with the Richard Ivey School of Business out of Western Ontario. So a very, very highly recognized, reputable university is helping us that way, and really will be one of the few countries in the world that will have a professional designation for investor relations. We think that's important because if investor relations really is to continue to evolve the way we think it should be and raise in stature and wants a seat at the table at the board level, they have to be recognized as being worthy of being there, and I think certification of the profession in Canada allows that to happen and really brings a comfort level for IRs to be at that table as opposed to being away from the table that they've been all these years.